Nagpirmahanay og Memorandum of Agreement ang Philippine Coffee Advancement and Farm Enterprise kon PhilCafe ug Department of Tourism Region 11 aron mapalambo ang industriya sa kape sa Davao Region. Sumala ni DOT-11 Regional Director Tanya Rabatan gawa sa promotion, iasdang sabnila ang pagpalambo sa produksyon aron matabangan ang mga mag-uuma og kape.
The program is not just really focused on coffee, no, but any product that any community in our provinces can produce. So basically, we're looking into coming up with the B2B activities. You know, we invite our tourism enterprise together with the communities, and we partner this with our provinces, no, with their products. And yes, siguro to add, this is part really of the objective, no, to partner with PhilCafe, so we can bring the awareness and appreciation for coffee to the market level din, no.
Matud sa DOT, mapasundayag yun ang dekalidad ug specialty sa kape nga ginama sa Davao Region.
We know that we have flourishing mga coffee shops, no, not just in Davao City, but actually if you go around the whole region, in provinces, there are relatively even new, no, na mga coffee shop serving specialty coffee. So with that, we'd like to help promoting, no, especially yung brand na Davao Coffee. It's just like, di ba, we'd like to be known as Davao with parang prime or what you call that, premium, no? Serving premium coffee.
Busa excited si TJ Ryan, ang Chief of Party sa PhilCafe, sa ilang kolaborasyon sa DOT-11 ug naglaom nga mapaasdang ang ekonomiya pinaagi sa pag-promote sa kape nga gikan sa Davao Region.
Coffee is one of the most social products that we consume. It brings people together, and I think many people, both, you know, you have a great situation here where Philippines is a huge coffee consuming country, but it also produces coffee, which is a great opportunity for people who have never seen coffee farms, never seen how that process goes from the farm to the cup, and you have all of that opportunity here in the Philippines. And so we're very excited to collaborate with the Department of Tourism to promote such a model.
Naglaom sab ang DOT-11 nga dili lang sa Davao Region ug sa mga silingang probinsya maila ang Davao Cafe, apan naninguha sab sila nga maila kini sa tibok Pilipinas ug bisan sa laing nasud. Busa gidasig sa DOT-11 Director ang mga establishmento ug mga coffee shop sa rehiyon nga ang Davao brands nga mga kape ang timplahon. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines, Davao Region, stay safe.